Welcome to the introductory episode of Tech Careers and Money Talk. I'm your host, Christopher Nelson. I've been in the tech industry for 20 plus years. And after climbing my way to the C-suite and working for 3 companies that have gone through IPO and investing my way to financial independence, I'm here to share everything with you, everything. And I'm going to interview others that are doing the same thing. Welcome. As technology employees, we have a problem. We have a big problem. We don't talk enough about career and money, and we don't talk enough about career and money and how it all works together. Now, you may be embarrassed or uncomfortable to talk about these things. I know I was raised, you don't talk about money. We can all admit that we are undereducated when it comes to these subjects. But this podcast is going to solve all that. I know as technology employees, we love what we do. We get a front row seat to the future every single day at work. But the reality is that if you don't manage your career well, that can lead to burnout, can lead to frustration. And if you don't manage your money well, then that can lead to constantly having to work to fuel your lifestyle and ultimately not getting the life that you want. I'm excited to be your host and sit here at this intersection of tech career and money. I'm going to share with you everything that I've learned in my 20 plus year career, the good, the bad, the strategies, and the tactics. Yes, I'm going to, in intensive solo episodes, I'm going to be sharing with you key strategies and tactics. For example, how do you think like an investor when it comes to trading your time and talent for equity so that you can get the best result? Or how do you build a team of peers around you that are going to allow you to accelerate your career and avoid burnout? Or how do you manage your tech equity from the first tranche that you get all the way to financial independence? I'm also going to be interviewing other technology employees and tech executives that are doing great things in their career and also innovative things in the way that they're managing their money. I'm also going to be bringing in subject matter experts like stock options lawyers and tax planners so that you can understand what are the values that these key players bring to the table and how do you leverage them on your team along the journey. I'm so excited to share with you Tech Careers and Money Talk, where you're going to have the ability to grow your career, build wealth, and meet your financial goals. So please join me on the journey. I need to ask for your help. Number 1, please subscribe. Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Spotify, wherever you listen, please subscribe to Tech Careers and Money Talk. Number 2, please rate us and leave a review. We need to understand what you're getting out of the podcast, what's important, what's providing value to you. Please let us know. Number 3, we would ask that you tell other technology employees. All of us have had so many questions when it comes to career and money, how it works together. Share it with others so they know now there's a place. And so I'm so excited to get this kick started. Been waiting a long time for this. I can't wait for you to hear what's next. Press play on the next episode now.